In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find quality score in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to filter your keywords so you can quickly spot which ones need attention. Start by going to your Google Ads account. If you manage more than one account, make sure you're in the correct one for the campaign you want to analyze. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and click Campaigns to open your list of campaigns. Click into the specific campaign you want to review. With that campaign selected, click Audiences to load the full set of tabs for this view. Now, switch over to the Keywords tab so you can work directly with your keyword data, which is where quality score is evaluated. At the top of the keyword table, click Add Filter. This lets you narrow down what you see to exactly what matters. In the Filter menu, search for or scroll to find Quality Score, then click Quality Score. A second quality score option will appear so you can set your rule. Click Quality Score again to open the condition and value controls. Here, choose how you want to filter, such as greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, depending on what you're looking for. Next, enter the value you want to use. Remember, quality score runs from 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest. For example, if you want to focus on stronger performing keywords, you might enter 7 or higher. When you're ready, click Apply. Your keyword table will refresh to show only the keywords that match the quality score range you set. This makes it easy to focus on opportunities. Higher scores typically indicate stronger expected click-through rate, better ad relevance, GA, and a more helpful landing page experience. If your list looks too small, try using a wider range or a lower threshold to capture more data. If it looks too large, tighten the criteria to spotlight the keywords that truly need your attention. As you review, keep context in mind. Quality score is a diagnostic signal, not a performance metric by itself, but it's a useful guide for finding where ad relevance, expected CTR, or landing page experience may need improvement. You can repeat this same filtering process for other campaigns to compare how different parts of your account are doing. That's it. You've just learned how to find quality score in Google Ads using a simple filter, so you can quickly identify where to optimize and where you're already strong.